So, on this night, সেদিন সেদিন রাত্রিবেলা as a reclaim the night কলের পরে there was spontaneous huge gatherings at large number of places. Even we had made arrangements for maintaining law and order and ensure the safety and security of women. And of course, we had the instructions given to all the people that they have to deal with the situation with extreme care. Of course, when these spontaneous crowds come, it's very, very difficult because there are no specific leader for these crowds. So expecting that how many people will turn up at which place is extremely difficult. Anyway, what I would like to say, we had to deploy our resources all over the city throughout the night. Here, the divisional DC himself was present with a fairly large amount of contingent to deal with any situation if it happened. Now the situation is we have posted the photographs of people on our Facebook page. We have posted video also on our Facebook page. You also have taken videos on it because you were also present at the site. We would like to request you to provide, circulate it widely, and we would expect anyone can give us any information about any of the people, irrespective of any political color. If you feel there is a political leader, we have absolutely no issue as far as arresting people is concerned. So, please, our request would be that if you know that this person is present, he may be of XYZ, any political party or anything, we would take action against him. That is very, very clear. So, you may, we have already arrested about 25 people. I think around 9 people, the information given by people on the basis of which the photographs of 9 people have already matched. And on interrogating these people, we have found out some more people who have accompanied them. Maybe their photographs are not there as in the photographs which we have circulated, but we are arresting them as well. So this is something which I wanted to appeal to all of you, that please you can provide, and all the citizens of Kolkata, that whatever vandalism which has happened, anybody who is responsible will arrest him. There is absolutely, let there be no doubt as far as this is concerned. The second thing which I would like to request you all, that there are far too many rumors are floating. Which have no basis. And on the basis of rumors, a lot of experts, so-called experts, are analyzing those rumors and trying to create an atmosphere which is, that Kolkata police has not done this, Kolkata police should have, this is that, this is, gang rape by so many people. Evidence has to be scientific in nature. Now the case has gone to CBI. Let's have trust on the agency which is investigating this case. They will also come up with a scientific evidence. Whatever we had to do in whatever little time which we had, our officers have done everything possible. The agency would find out if there are any loopholes, any deliberate evidence destruction or anything which our team might have done. And obviously we are liable for legal action if there is something of this kind which is there, which I am telling you, that if there is anybody in our team who is done anything wrong, we are liable for it. There is a different investigating agency which is doing. Why are people so impatient? Have faith in the new investigating agency. Why this rumor mongering is going on even now? Somebody said the police is the one who informed the family about the suicide. That's absolutely wrong. It was never the police. Somebody said 150 grams of semen has been found. I don't know from where have they found this kind of information. And it is circulating in the media in all kind of forms, and people, I don't know, people are tending to believe it, or they are trying to create confusion amongst the people. So I would like to request you all that please, there is a new investigating agency. We have handed over anything and everything which we had, and our officers are cooperating with them. See, I think we all need to have faith in somebody. We have tried to be transparent to the extent possible all through the investigation process when we were investigating it. We have told it repeatedly. When we were there, I must have reached around 1:15 or something like that. I personally went. If somebody had to say that it is a case of suicide, I think the additional commissioner, the entire homicide team must have been reached there about 11:30, 12 o'clock. The DCDD special reached pretty early. So obviously, and these things, spreading rumors, you all have done, many of you have been crime reporters. You know how the investigation happens. The UD case is a natural process. Murder is an unnatural death. When there is immediately you have to do an inquest. Inquest is preceded by a UD case. So I don't see why it is being spread that by starting a UD case, we wanted to hush up the matter and make it look like a suicide case. Road traffic accident, snake bite, murder, UD case, you can ask anyone, not just in Bengal, not just in Calcutta police, Bengal police, anywhere in the state. Because murder is also, there is a 174 CRPC section of law. Now BNS, there is a corresponding section where it is clearly mentioned. So there is no hushing up. It is like family is immediately available. They are not in a position to, submit a complaint. They are the people who can actually give a very good account of if they have any suspicion on anybody. And so it's logical, and it's also a practice that we take complaint from a family member. They are available. They might have something to say as far as this thing is concerned. So the complaint was taken from the family member and case was started. And UD case, it does not delay investigation. UD case has started, inquest has been done, post-mortem has been requested, a judicial magistrate has been brought in, videography has been done, FSLS team has come, entire videography, all evidence collected under videography, presence of parents, presence of family members and students, everybody, judicial magistrate, everybody was present. Where is the flaw in our intent that we wanted to hush up the matter? If there is a 3-member team which is doing the post-mortem, which is under videography. So for CBI, at this point of time, the entire videography is available with them. They can have a look at it. How the post-mortem, if they want to have certain clarification, etc., the video is also available. So there is absolutely no issue as far as transparency is concerned. I don't know what more procedure could have brought in further transparency. I am still not very sure. But why this impression is being created that UD case necessarily means it is a case of suicide? It is not true. Please, the entire population is being made to understand that UD case means suicide. We wanted to make it a case of suicide. It is not true. You must consult legal experts. You must consult people not just in Bengal, not just in Calcutta police, but anywhere in the country. Go through the section of the law. Please don't spread rumors. It is creating issues in the society. People are having lack of trust. This ultimate loser is the society, the Calcutta police. There is nothing, absolutely nothing. I have been telling from day one that we have nothing to hide. We have nothing to hide. only on the basis of evidence. These are young boys, talented boys. I cannot arrest them just because he was present on duty on those at that particular place of duty. Somebody using surname as Mahapatra, connecting it to some political Mahapatra and trying to mix these issues and spread rumors that just because they are very, very influential people, they are being protected. That is not true. We had no intent to protect anyone. We were just looking for an evidence. And evidence can come from the accused, evidence comes from digital, in the form of digital evidence, of course in the form of circumstantial evidence, whatever we have collected from the PO, and the forensic evidences. Now we have to have that patience. The forensic reports, the DNA sampling, everything had been done. We had sent them to the CFSL report to get the report at the earliest, and we would figure out how many people may have be involved in this particular incident. So there is absolutely nothing to hide as far as this particular incident is concerned. But still the rumor mongering is still going on. I want to request you that please you can spread this message around that now the case is with CBI. They are investigating it. They will also, or they can also investigate if there have been anything on our part which we have deliberately done to destroy evidence. We are liable, legally liable. Absolutely. So have faith in the other agency which is investigating. You do not have faith in us, at least have faith in them as far as this case is concerned. Don't try to create this thing, there is an information gap. So this is something which I wanted you to know, and I would once again request you that whoever is the person of whatever political party, please spread this, tell anyone, we are ready to arrest, take legal action against anyone who was involved on that particular day. But you have to come with evidence. That this is the photograph, I know this, yes.
Sir, one
আনরুলি মব বলুন, মিসক্রিয়েন্টস বলুন, দুষ্কৃতী বলুন, যাই বলুন, এরা হসপিটালের মধ্যে ঢুকলো কিভাবে? আপনাদের ইন্টেলিজেন্স ফেলিওর ছিল, এডুকেট ফোর্স ছিল না ওখানে? আদালত বলছে
দেখুন এই ভিডিওটা আপনি দেখেছেন। নাও ওই সেই দিন আমি আপনাদেরকে প্রথমে বললাম দি রিক্লেম দি নাইটস হিসাবে প্রচুর লোক প্রচুর জায়গায় লিডারলেস, ইট ওয়াজ এ লিডারলেস ক্রাউড। आई थिंक एंटिसिपेटिंग कि श्याम बाजारे 5000 लोग आसबे या रूबीते 10,000 लोग आसबे या 8बीते अत लोग आसबे, गरियाते कत लोग आसबे। There are numerous number of places where large crowds had gathered, and since it is very very difficult to make an assessment, आरजी करे अत लोग आसबे, यदि आमी आपनादेरके बोले दी कि normally when there are leaders, they themselves have an assessment how that kind of what kind of gathering they are expecting, and we make arrangement to match that or even bigger than that. But here, because the crowd, one is we had to spread ourselves thin. There are far too many women were there. Their women's safety was involved. We had to be, we have to be, there are a large number of women even here. The people who have been arrested, there are some women also are here. So we have to be restrained in our response. We cannot be, using force left, right and center just like that. So, আমরা আমাদের সাফিসিয়েন্ট ডিপ্লয়মেন্ট ছিল, ডিসি লেভেলে অফিসার ছিলেন ওখানে, ডিসি নর্থ পার্সোনালি প্রেজেন্ট ছিলেন ওখানে, আপনি নিজেও দেখতে পাচ্ছেন হাউ হি ইজ ট্রাইং টু ডিল উইথ দি ক্রাউড উইথ লট অফ পেশেন্স। উনি নিজের চেষ্টা করেছেন, ওনার সঙ্গে যা ফোর্স ছিল সমস্ত রকম চেষ্টা করেছেন। ইয়েস, despite that the barricade was breached and people got into this, vandalized the place. So, later on this thing, we had 15 people injured badly, including the DC North Division.
You said the UD case has led to a lot of mongering. It's the Calcutta High Court that says that the UD case, registration of the UD case has led to suspicion. Now, you are saying it's natural process, the High Court is saying suspicion.
I will not comment on this. This I am talking about our legal procedure.